Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about downloading brushes and adding them to the Photoshop software to apply them like in here. We download brushes from this website, brusheasy.com. For me, I will download the dust brushes, and of course this is just an example. You can download any kind of brushes you like. I type dust in the search box, then I get these results. I will go with this brush. It's called Powder 3. I click on it, then I click free download. We wait a bit for the brush to be downloaded. It's done. Now we unzip the brush file. And here is the brush file. Now we go to the Photoshop software. Then we click on the brush tool. And we go here. I get this window, then I go here and I select import brush. Now I locate the brush in my computer. Then I select it and I click load. And you find the newest added brushes in the bottom of this list. Now we create a new page to try the new brush. I select the color, then I select the brush. I choose whatever one in here. I set the size. And here we are, it's working perfectly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.